Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your networking and that none of the networks previously connected to are in range. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So I would suggest to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang natin i-locate your network connections. So double click lang natin ang ating network connections. And next step, dito sa kanyang properties, and then dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung advanced. So click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa kanyang advanced settings at under dito sa property, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung roaming aggressiveness. Okay, so i-select mo lang dito yung roaming aggressiveness. So click mo lang yan. At dito lang sa right side, dito sa value, ay kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung highest. Okay, so dito sa value, i-select mo lang dito yung highest. At dito sa properties, kailangan mo lang select dito yung roaming aggressiveness. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after natin yan, ma-change yung settings dito sa device manager, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And then next step, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung power options. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa power options, so kailangan lang i-locate your current plan. Alright? So dito sa ating choose or customize a power plan, so ito yung ginagamit natin na current plan. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung change plan settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, so dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung change advanced power settings. So i-click lang natin yan. And pop up itong power options. So dito lang sa advanced settings. And then dapat nakaselect dito yung current plan natin. So ito yung current plan natin. And then next step, dito lang sa gitna ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung PCI Express. So i-click mo lang yung positive sign. And then next step, makikita mo dito yung link state power management. So i-click mo lang yung positive sign ulit. And then dapat dito sa kanyang on battery, dapat naka-maximum power savings mga kaibigan. And then same naman dito sa plug-in, dapat naka-maximum power savings. So dapat yan yung nakaselect mga kaibigan. And the next step, i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix none of the networks previously connected to are in range. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.